Hi children, this is your ANR sir, welcoming you to ANR Academy. Today in our Mathematics for All examination series, we learn about trigonometry. This is a new chapter prescribed for you. This lesson is for class 10th students. So what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is that branch of mathematics which deals with the angles and the problems allied with angles. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ అంటే ఏంటి? ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ అంటే మనకి మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ లో ఒక బ్రాంచ్. ఏ బ్రాంచ్ లో అయితే మనం ఈ యాంగిల్స్ తాలూకా మెజర్మెంట్స్ గురించి చర్చించే ఒక బ్రాంచ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ లో. ఇంకా ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రిలేటెడ్ టు యాంగిల్స్ ఆల్సో విల్ డిస్కస్ ఇన్ దిస్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ. క్లియర్? So now let us start learning these trigonometric ratios. We start learning about the trigonometric ratios. Clear? So now this is your right angle triangle. A, B, C. So right angle at B. Right angle at B. We have two acute angles. One is angle A and other one is angle C. Acute angle అంటే ఏంటి? The angle whose measurement is less than 90 degrees. What is an acute angle? Acute angle means that angle whose measurement is less than 90 degrees. Now, before finding the trigonometric ratios, we have to define one acute angle. We have to define one acute angle. Here we have two acute angles. So out of these two, related to, with reference to one acute angle, we write the trigonometric ratios. So let us define this angle C as theta. That means with reference to this angle theta, we write the trigonometric ratios. So we defined certain trigonometric ratios. What are they? Sin theta. Sin theta. Sin is sin. So when we write this, we write sin theta. What is this sin theta? Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. So here your AC is hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? That side which is opposite to 90 degrees called hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? That side which is opposite to right angle. Here angle B is right angle. So AC is hypotenuse. Indeed, what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is that side of a right angle triangle which is opposite to 90 degrees. Clear? And for this angle theta, AB is opposite side. For angle theta, AB is opposite side. For angle theta, BC is adjacent side. Clear? So according to this theta, now we are writing different trigonometric ratios, and we define certain ratios. How? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Instead of writing SINE, we write SIN, sin theta. Clear? What is opposite side for theta? AB by AC, hypotenuse AC. Next, cosine theta. Cosine theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side to theta? BC by AC. So, instead of writing cosine theta, what we do? We write cos theta. We write cos theta. Cos theta is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. For angle theta, BC is adjacent side. And for this triangle ABC, AC is hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to BC by AC. The full form for cos is what? Cosine. The full form for cos is what? Cosine. Next, tan theta. The full form for tan theta is tangent. The full form for tan is what? Tangent. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side? AB. What is opposite side? AB. What is your adjacent side? BC. Clear? Next, cotangent. What? Cotangent. For this cotangent, what we write? We write cot. For tangent, we write tan. For cotangent, what we write? Cot. Your cot theta is equal to adjacent side by opposite side, means BC by AB. BC by AB. Next you have secant theta. Secant, SECANT. For writing secant, what we write? SEC. We do not write complete secant, SECANT. What we write? SEC. So secant theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse by adjacent side. What is your hypotenuse? AC by BC. What is secant theta? Hypotenuse by adjacent side, AC by BC. In the same way, cosecant. What we write? COSEC we write. COSEC. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. That means AC by AB. So let me tell again. These are all trigonometric ratios. First one is sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side means whatever angle is defined opposite to that angle. AB is opposite to angle C. And hypotenuse is AC. Why? Because it is opposite to 90 degrees. What in a right angle triangle, whatever side is opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. Cosine theta. How we write cosine? Cos theta. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. BC is adjacent side for angle theta. BC is adjacent side for angle theta. So BC by AC. Tan theta. How we define tan theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. మనం tan theta మనం ఎలా డిఫైన్ చేసాము? Opposite side by adjacent side. So for this angle theta, what is opposite side? AB. What is adjacent side? BC. So AB by BC. Cotangent ఎలా రాస్తాము? Cot theta. Cotangent మనం ఎలా రాస్తాము? Cot theta is equal to ఎలా మనం డిఫైన్ చేసాము? Adjacent side by opposite side. ఈ యాంగిల్ థీటాకి adjacent side ఏంటవుతుంది? BC. యాంగిల్ థీటాకి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ ఏంటవుతుంది? AB. BC by AB. సెకండ్ థీటా. సెకండ్ థీటా మనం ఎలా రాస్తాం? SEC అని రాస్తాం. సెకండ్ థీటా is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. hypotenuse అంటే ఏంటి? AC. adjacent side ఏంటంటే ఈ యాంగిల్ థీటాకి BC adjacent side. AC by BC. Cosecant theta. How do we write cosecant? Cosec. COSEC theta. How did we define that? మనం ఎలా డిఫైన్ చేసాము? hypotenuse by opposite side. hypotenuse ఏంటి? AC. opposite side ఏంటి? AP. AC by AC. So I think today you understood what is trigonometry. And next, various trigonometric ratios, how we defined. Clear? So again tomorrow I come up with some new lesson on trigonometry. Till then, have a nice day and thank you for watching the video.